Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Guyanese fudge. First, gather your ingredients. Sugar, evaporated milk, and butter are key. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed pot and a strong spoon. Don't forget to lightly grease your pan for easy removal later. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Combine your sugar, evaporated milk, and butter in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Continue to boil, stirring occasionally until it reaches the softball stage, which is about 235 degrees Fahrenheit. This takes patience, but it's crucial for perfect fudge. Once your mixture reaches the softball stage, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, the magic happens. Beat the mixture vigorously with your sturdy spoon. You'll notice it thickening and losing its glossy shine, becoming more opaque. As soon as it starts to set, quickly pour it into your greased pan. Work fast here. Finally, let your delicious Guyanese fudge cool completely at room temperature. This might take a few hours, so be patient. Once firm, you can cut it into your desired squares or rectangles. For the best freshness, store your homemade fudge in an airtight container. Enjoy this sweet, traditional Guyanese treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.